Last time we left off here in the stuff that runs on message sent. So in this video, we're going to be learning how we can make a custom command. So to make a command, it's actually pretty easy to make a command. So we'll do if com equals prefix plus, and then let's do a help, since help command, pretty much every bot needs a help command. So now we'll do message.channel.send, and what this will do is in the channel that the message is sent in, it will send the message back in that channel. So we can do help and then \n commands. I can't type today. Commands, and then we can do help get the list of commands, and we can do that. Now if we just save our bot and then go into our testing server, just wait a few moments and type in, I should probably make my window bigger just for the tutorial. I'll just type help, $help, and here it says help, commands, help, get the list of commands. So yeah, that's what we can do. Now we can actually replace the .channel.send with .reply, and what this will do is it's basically just the same thing as this, except it will ping us. So yeah, we know who ran the help command. But what if this command isn't fancy enough? So we can do message.reply. Here is some help. Yeah, it isn't really that fancy, so we can do message.channel.send, and then new discord.message embed, and then you can do .set title. This will set the title of the embed. I'm gonna make it help. Then .description. .set description. My prefix is $. Let's just put it in whatever that symbol is called. And then we'll do add field commands, and then we'll make a list, and then we'll do $, in brackets, curly brackets, prefix, and help, get some help, and a list of commands. So now if we go into Discord, so let's type in the help command, and that definitely did not work. We forgot that. I think I deleted it twice or something. What just happened? So we can do the help command again, and if my okay, right there, so it says here's some help. My prefix is $, commands. And yeah, it's just a lot fancier than just a regular message. And just letting you know, it's not possible to send embeds if you're a Discord user. We can also do .set color, and then I'll just do #00ff00. I believe this is blue, or is it? That is green. So Yeah, we can set a color in hex. I believe you can also do RGB, but I like hex better. So that is how you make a command. It's pretty simple. In the next video, we'll be learning to make a command with arguments. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.